Welcome back to Patman Garage. So in this video, I wanted to kind of show exactly what it is that we fixed on the main ground. So the ground shown here is G111 to G112, and it literally goes from cylinder head to cylinder head. And at first glance, you're like, why would that matter? And you do a little bit more digging in the diagrams and you find out that the ignition capacitor for the ignition coils is actually bolted to the cylinder head and grounded there. So that definitely is going to cause all kinds of weird ignition issues and misfire issues on the ground side. So glad we got this one resolved in the previous video, and on to the next project.
Well, not bad for just throwing together literally some scrap metal out of my buckets over there. But this guy's gonna sit, well, under the harness. But this guy's gonna sit right in here, like that. And I'm gonna mount it to the actual fender tub itself. But you can see here when I pull up on the bracket, you can see how much it doesn't take a whole lot of tension to get the filter to sit slightly away. So we're gonna get that screwed in and mounted, and then we're done with that. Easy peasy. And it's just sitting, and it's gonna sit, the filter is gonna sit right on the edge of the rubber part of the filter, so we shouldn't need to do anything to protect the filter itself from sitting on that bracket. But that's what we got. Well, that turned out pretty sharp for being something whipped up in the garage. It just literally scrap metal out of the bucket. So you really can't even see that it's there, which is nice. I mean, obviously you can see it here, but you don't really see it like mounting to the filter itself. But it just sits there. So just enough pressure to keep it from falling down into the abyss and running into the power steering reservoir. So happy with that. I just need to plug in my PCV vent hose here, and we good to go. So we'll take a test drive at some point in the future and make sure that this doesn't move around too much where it's going to end up causing trouble. But I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, it didn't take a whole lot to just kind of support the weight of it, just enough, and to keep more so to keep it from falling backwards. So should live a long, happy life with this intake until he decides he's going to change his mind to do something different. Relatively easy projects this time, no big deal, but nice attention to detail, get some of these little things figured out. So anyways, I appreciate y'all checking out another video, and look forward to making a couple more of this truck before it goes back home. And that's it. So I will catch you in the next one.